Here we are again in the Melbourne CBD on the Elizabeth and Little Lonsdale Street corner, one of Melbourne's most travelled streets at one of Melbourne's busiest shopping precincts, Melbourne Central. Rodger, Renato and Manny from Stanmor are back overseeing all the facade stonework. These three are a great example of the stonemason tradition in Melbourne, keeping this skill alive by passing it down through the family and carrying on with the traditions of good, solid, modern masonry. There are a lot of people involved in this project, from Stanmor Ceramics being the stone contractor, charged with the undertaking of the modern and soon-to-be organic facade, BamStone from Port Ferry in Victoria, supplying the stone which is Melbourne's most recognised, Cox Architecture, the people behind the scenes designing the vision, and Built Constructions having facilitated the whole build. Structurally, the whole project has been installed into a channel subframe system with a collection of our 8, 10 and 12mm adjustable clips being used to secure the stones. The stonework throughout this build is of an exceptionally high standard, as can be expected from these guys and the whole Stanmor team. It features undulating walls, various directional changes in the orientation of the stone, bed thickness and height changes over courses, a massive feature wall with no room for error, a curved wall section that would impress anyone, and is also complementing a tiered effect on the external facade and features a soffit return detail that acts as a negative capping detail, not to mention a real testament to the masons. The guys have used their dustless installation system so that they were able to make all of the installation cuts on site safely, the sequencing that was dictated by Built, and not to interrupt the public while they carried on with their work. It allowed the whole centre to remain open and not to affect any of the building's tenants during the construction phase. BamStone has supplied a multitude of different formats of stone, as well as radial cut and calibrated stone panels that were used to help dictate the curved wall starting and finishing points. The Stanmor team has decided on using the 310 epoxy from Latticrete to help with the reconstruction of the stone and clip. Another great addition to the Melbourne CBD landscape.